The central paradigm being so fundamental, the technology that links to it is simply biotechnology. What are its basics? At the level of information, the key issue is to find the most appropriate gene expression system, living cells that do exactly what is expected from them. Strain isolation and cell banking, crossing and breeding, mutagenesis, selection and screening, and a plethora of other techniques must be used to make sure that what you have is what you want. This is a little bit like choosing the best pizzeria in Mega Biopolis, which is home to 100,000 different restaurants. Not an easy task. In 1972, a biological revolution happened. It became possible to cut and glue DNA fragments. Recombinant DNA technology was born, and it completely changed the rules of the game. It is as though it became possible to instantly generate new, reprintable cookbooks by inserting new recipe pages. Then there's the cooking part, something very, very important. If you want good food, you better make sure your ingredients are fresh and tasty. It is the same thing when a complex biologic is grown. The vast majority of living cells, mammalian cells in particular, have complex growth requirements. Finding the right nutriments to produce high-quality growth media can be very challenging. Designing, building, and maintaining bioreactors for cells to grow and thrive is also of paramount importance. Just like having the best pizza oven in town, upstream processing is a super science. Last but not least, living cells can easily produce hundreds of thousands of different biologics. Purifying the desired product is yet another complex challenge. It is a little bit like finding the pizzas you ordered in a huge pile of takeaway orders. If you can't open every box, how do you go about it? Downstream processing answers this tricky question. We have just covered a huge territory here. Managing information is the business of genetics. Assembling components is the business of molecular biology. And making sure that the chemistry of life works in a controlled manner is the business of biochemistry. These three sciences, the pillars of modern biotechnology, serve one ultimate purpose: to produce a biological substance that is something good for humanity.
Wow, that's incredible.